Hello friends, India is full of fun festivals. Let's explore some important festivals of India together. First, Diwali, the festival of lights. People light diyas, decorate their homes, and enjoy fireworks. We share sweets and celebrate with family. Next, Holi, the festival of colors. People throw colors, dance, sing songs, and eat yummy treats. It's a fun way to celebrate friendship and happiness. Eid is a special festival for sharing and caring. People wear new clothes, pray, and share delicious food with family and friends. It teaches us love and kindness. Christmas is a joyful festival. People decorate Christmas trees, sing songs, and exchange gifts. It's a time to spread happiness. Ganesh Chaturthi celebrates Lord Ganesha. People bring idols, decorate them, and offer sweets like modak. It teaches us new beginnings and happiness. So friends, India has so many amazing festivals. Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, Ganesh Chaturthi. Which one is your favorite? Comment below, celebrate, share, and have fun.